just me and you.
Pina colada. Because father said to get something cocktailish, so.
Summer days can't be beat.
Oh God, don't
Party swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Poetry swaying, breeze so light. Party all day, dance all night. Feel the sunshine, feel the glow. Summer vibes, just let it flow. Dance, dance in the summer. Feel the rhythm, move your feet. Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat. Let the music take control. Feel the magic in your soul. Summertime, we're feeling free. Dance with me by the sea. Dance in the summer heat. Feel the rhythm.
Is it really my beach holiday if I don't get a flesh wound? Or like a foot cut? Hold on. See, I fell over in the water, which I'm pretty sure Phoebe got on camera, so it doesn't hurt that bad. But everything else kind of stings. My eczema hurts, but everything else is just a flesh wound. Yay.
Sun and sand is so sweet. Summer days can't be beat.
Right, commit. Right, you ready? Oh, cold. I just don't want to get my hat wet. This is okay. I'm scared my hat's getting wet.
It's okay, it's alright.
Oh. I don't know if you can really tell on camera, but the moon is orange, like really orange. Ooh,
That's quite nice, I think.
it's called a honeybee. It has honey in it, and ginger, and other things.
Can't remember what else.
Lime, maybe? I don't know.
Possibly. And taste of ginger.
You can taste the ginger, you can taste the honey. It tastes good for you, I must say. It's nice.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Excellent.
enjoy it.
Thank you very
hummus,
much.
tzatziki and fava.
Excellent. Thank
Enjoy
you.
it.
Thank you.
Thank you.